Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix party and lobby invites and how you can get them, right? So first of all, what I suggest to do here is, so if you're a friend, for example, on Xbox and you're on PS5 or on PC, first of all, what I suggest to do here is to go to the gear icon on the top left, go to the online settings, then go to matchmaking options, and then make sure a crossplay is enabled here, right? If it's not enabled and you're playing with it on different platforms, simply you cannot do that, right? Then next step, what you need to do here, press R2. On the bottom right, you should see what you need to press. I'm using PS4 controller, so I just need to press R2, or it may be different to open up this window. Then you need to go to options, social settings. For me, I need to press options, then go to notifications, and then here should be option party or lobby invite received, and make sure to make it on always, right? And then maybe restart the game and your problem should be fixed, right? So yeah, that's basically it.